Hello students, today we are going to study lesson 1 Ballpoint Penguins. This is a poem written by Jack Prelutsky. He is a writer from the United States of America who writes poetry for children. Ballpoint Penguins is a poem about the strange and wonderful ways in which an equally strange group of birds write down things. The poem name is Ballpoint Penguins. Do you know, children, what are penguins? Yes, penguins are birds. They cannot fly. This is a picture of penguins. Penguins live in very cold places where there are ice and snow. They are black and white in color. Did you see penguins? No, but I saw in books and Discovery Channel. So let's read aloud the poem about penguins. The ballpoint penguins, black and white, do little else but write and write. Although they've nothing much to say, they write and write it anyway. The ballpoint penguins do not think, they simply write with endless ink. They write of ice, they write of snow, for that is all they seem to know. At times, these shy and silent birds will verbally express their words, but mostly they do not recite. They aim their beaks and write and write. So let's start the explanation. The ballpoint penguins black and white. The ballpoint penguins are black and white in color. Do little else but write and write. They do not do much but write and write. Although they've nothing much to say, they write and write it anyway. Although means even if. Even if they have nothing to say, because their beaks are busy in writing, but they write and write it anyway. The ballpoint penguins do not think, they simply write with endless ink. So they do not think. The ballpoint penguins do not think. They have, because they have a wonderful thing to write, a ballpoint pen. So they simply write, write and write with never ending ink. They write of ice, they write of snow, for that is all they seem to. They can write only about ice and snow because they live in places where there are only ice and snow. So they always see ice and snow everywhere. So for that is all they seem to know. They see only ice and snow all around. So they are able to write only about ice and snow. At times, these shy and silent birds will verbally express their words. So at times, these shy means nervous and uncomfortable with others, and silent birds. Silent means completely quiet. So these shy and silent birds will verbally express. Verbally means to say something with your mouth. Verbally means orally express their words. But mostly they do not recite. Recite means to say or sing something. But mostly they do not recite, they do not say or sing something. They aim their beaks and right. Beaks. Beaks, the outer hard part of bird's mouth. They use to eat something. They aim their beaks and right. So their only aim is that right. This is the only aim of the bird. They always right. So that is the poem. Now, my dear children, you will recite the poem and then note down in your notebook. And your next homework is I will underline here some words and you will learn the spelling of these difficult words. So first word is penguins. And the second word is although. Third word is simply. Fourth word is endless. Fifth word is no. Sixth word is shy. Seventh word is silent. Eighth word is verbally. Ninth is express. And your last word is recite. So these are total 10 words. So these are difficult words. You will learn the spellings of these words, then you will note down in your notebook. Thank you, my dear students.